Welcome back to our Spanish language learning series. In today's video, we are diving into a topic that often causes confusion for Spanish learners: the difference between por and para. Understanding when to use these two prepositions correctly can significantly improve your fluency and precision in Spanish. In this comprehensive guide, we will break down the distinct usages of por and para, providing clear explanations and practical examples for each. After watching the video, be sure to rewatch it as many times as needed to fully understand. So grab your notebook and get ready to start. Por. Usage. Por is used to indicate cause, motive, or reason behind an action. It also expresses duration, movement through a place, means of communication or transportation, and substitution or exchange. Example phrases: cause or motive. Voy al médico por un dolor de cabeza. I am going to the doctor for a headache. Explanation. Por indicates the reason or cause for the action of going to the doctor. Duration. Estudié por 3 horas. I studied for 3 hours. Explanation. Por expresses the duration of time spent studying. Movement. Caminamos por el parque. We walked through the park. Explanation. Por denotes movement through a place, indicating the route taken. Let's go with para. Usage. Para is used to indicate purpose, destination, deadline, goals, and comparisons. Purpose. Compré este regalo para mi madre. I bought this gift for my mother. Explanation. Para indicates the purpose or intended recipient of the gift. Destination. Salimos para Madrid mañana. We leave for Madrid tomorrow. Explanation. Para denotes the destination or intended location of departure. Term or time. Necesito este informe para el viernes. I need this report by Friday. Explanation. Para indicates the deadline or specific time by which the report is needed. I hope that you understood the difference between por and para. And remember, the most important thing is to go back and understand the usage of both. I will leave this explanation in the description, so it will be easier for you to copy and note it in your notebook. So every time you need to understand the difference between these two, you can reach to your notebook and read it again. Remember to practice using por and para in context to solidify your understanding. Thank you for watching, and hasta luego! See you in the next lesson.